everyone, hello there viewers, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. And it's me, Belle, again. It's been 1 week that I haven't made any video, and now I will do some unboxing from Shein. And I ordered some keratin for hair because I damaged my hair. Look at that, I look like, a swung hair because my hair is frizzy. If you could take a look closely, I will show you very closely. You can't really see it because it's black, and look at that, there's no life in my hair. I damaged it so much chemical, because remember I have a vlog doing the coloring, dyeing my hair and bleaching too much, and now look at it, very frizzy. I will try to comb this one. Look at that. It's so hard. I cannot see. It is so hard. This is what happened when you overdo chemical on your hair. So look at that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't want to cut my hair again because it's too sayang, and I have friendship goal. I have goals with my friends that we will make our hair longer. And now I will unbox this. Too much talking, no? I will unbox this one, and I'm gonna make a video if this is really effective. Now I'm gonna damage my hair again. Unbox with me, guys. Watch me unbox this. And yeah, it cost me 950. Too much money to waste. I hope that this is really effective, because I do sideline rebonding too, and I'm gonna use this one to my customer. Yeah, I like it. It's very well packaged, and hopefully this is not damaged inside. If you can see right here, very well packed, so I have no question about it. So here it is, guys. This is what it looks like. May bubble wrap pa sila. I will try this one on my hair tonight. It's DIY again because it is really frizzy. Yes, you can see it clearly now. I really damaged my hair. Look at that. It's very kinky. How much talking, but I want you to see. I want you to look at my hair. What I did to my hair. It's really horrible. What did I do to my beautiful hair? And now the name of this product, it is a Brazilian keratin restoration cream, and hopefully this is very effective. Salon tested formula, they said, suitable for any types of hair, straighten and repair for virgin, kinky, treated, and normal hair. I don't know if this is effective with my hair, but let's see what's gonna happen. Later I will make a video to that one. And now let's move on to my Shein unboxing. You know me, if I unbox something, I always anong tawag doon, ina-unbox ko na lahat para iisa lang. Now here you go. This is clothes again, because my friend, classmate when I was college, have wedding this coming June 27th, and I am invited, so I ordered the clothes to wear, and it cost me 1,824. And here we go. I will stand up, tear this thing down. we go. This is the dusty blue. I ordered it small. I think this is small. Oh shoot, it is very big. Hope that I don't know. I think this is small size. Yeah, it is small. I wish I get the extra small, no, because it is very stretchable. See, look at me now. My hair is so damaged, horrible looking. And this one is the terno. What? This one? I didn't expect this one to be really thin, but I think this is good. Look at that. This is the terno with this. I will fit it later, guys. And this one is the what is this? Oh yeah, I ordered some. Oh, for the bill. I ordered some. And that's it, guys. That's for today's hauling. And I will fit this one, and I'm gonna add to the video so that it will make more longer video. So I'll see you later for my fitting. I'm done, guys, with my hauling or unboxing, and that dress over there is the one that I will wear for wedding of my friends, and the other one, and this one with chewing it, the green color. It's just my, just nothing. I really love that. I like this one. It is thin, but it's too sexy. You can wear it in party like that. If you have a party to attend to, you can wear this dress right here, and promise you are so sexy. Even though it is so thin, I can recommend that to you if it is still available on Shein or Shein apps. You can do that. And guys, thank you for watching. If you're not my subscribers yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell below so that you will get notified if I have new uploads. And I will insert this one, guys. I'm gonna fix my hair. My Hail Mary hair. I don't know. Holy cow. See you later. Bye bye. Love lots. Bell.